एक्सेल में बात क्या समझ में आता है एक्सेल पर, किस तरीके से क्या एक्सेल के बारे में?
रिजल्ट बनाते हैं, ठीक है। एक्सेल से हम लोग अपना रिजल्ट तैयार करते हैं और उसमें कितना परसेंट आया, सम मिन मैक्स करते हैं ये सब। उसके बाद इसमें हम लोग चार्ट भी बनाते हैं, फिर सॉर्टिंग करते हैं, फिल्टरिंग करते हैं, ठीक है।
किस एक्सेल ये ग्राफ क्या है बता सकते हो एक्सेल पे?
है वो सबको हम लोग ऐसे डेकोरेट करते हैं उस पर।
चलो आप क्या कर रहे हो अभी, ये कौन सा चल रहा है?
लैंग्वेज, इसमें हम लोग ऐप्स को डेवलप करते हैं, जैसे कि यूट्यूब, नेटफ्लिक्स, ये सब ऐप्स को हम लोग डेवलप करते हैं पाइथन से।
तो आगे क्या करना है, मतलब कंप्यूटर साइंस में जाना है या कुछ अलग करना है?
सर कुछ अलग करना है।
कंप्यूटर का लैंग्वेज का ये आप लोग
जानते हैं सर, फ्यूचर में AI IT बहुत डेवलप कर रहा है, तो वो एक तरह से वो भी हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फ्यूचर के लिए।
के बारे में बताओ।
तो इसीलिए
के बारे में बताओ।
सर AI एक आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है। आज के ज़माने में देखा जाए तो ये हमारे फ्यूचर के लिए, अभी के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। जैसे कि हम लोग जितने भी मशीन्स यूज़ करते हैं वो भी AI की ही मदद से है। हमें पढ़ाई में मदद चाहिए होता है या किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में, मान लीजिए कोई बच्चा एफर्ट नहीं है कि वो स्कूल जा सके या ट्यूशन जा सके, तो वो AI की मदद से अपनी पढ़ाई को कंप्लीट कर सकता है।
यानी सर लोग बताते हैं?
यस सर।
चलिए बताइए।
Jai Hind and a warm good morning to the respected teachers and my dear friends. Here I am Afia Kareem of class 6F standing before you to deliver some words. Firstly, thank you for giving me this great opportunity to express my views in front of you. Now I am going to deliver some words on cybercrime. First of all, we have to know that what is cybercrime. Everybody thinks that only stealing someone's private data is a cybercrime, but in different terms we can say that cybercrime refers to the use of an electronics device like computer, laptop and etc. for stealing someone's data or trying to harm them using a computer. To stop the spread of cybercrime and to be great citizen, we have to government has also introduced a cyber cell in police station to counter the problem of cybercrime as fast as they can. Cybercrime is not something which we cannot deal with ourselves. Likewise, with little use of our common sense and logic, we can stop cybercrime. Now, here I would like to end my speech. Thank you.
My dear friends, I am Aradhya Kumari of class 8F. Today I am talk to about what is the relation between communication and students. Communication is absolutely essential for students. It's the foundation that how they can learn, grow, interact with the world around them. Here's break down the key relationship between communications and students. First of all, it doesn't matter in which language you talk to other people. It's matter that how you talk to others people. Second, understanding and expressing ideas. Students need to clearly understood concept and articulate their thoughts in class discussion, assignment and presentation. Second, asking question. Effective communication enables students to ask or clarify questions and seek help when needed. Third, building relationship. Communication is crucial for making friends, building a strong relationship with teachers and friends, and navigating social situations. Fifth, building confidence. Communication and strong communication skills boost self-esteem and confidence. Sixth, problem solving. Communication helps students to resolve conflict, negotiate solution, and work through challenges. Thank you. Now it's complete my speech. Thank you.
Class 9th H, I am here in front of you to tell something about AI. AI basically refers to artificial intelligence that allow the computer to perform certain type of work by the human beings. AI system uses logic and data to tell something very easy and also improve the performance of the people and AI are used in many ways, including the online shopping, healthcare, and social media. And it can be also uses in image recognition and many more. Thank you.
Of Standard 9th H. I'm here to inform you what is mean by IT. So IT refers to information technology. It is a type of technology which make all possibles. Especially IT is used in like online shopping, banking, and it is a type of social networking. With internet, everything is possible. Like
चलो थैंक
we are knowing about the positivity of AI. We are also aware about the disadvantage of AI. When we are working unethical practices through AI, when we generate any error, any wrong things through AI, generative AI, this is not beneficial for our society.
आप
And a warm good morning to the respected teachers and my dear friend. I am Shra Gandhi from class 6F. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to deliver my speech in front of you. Today's topic is AI. AI has become an integral part of our lives. Right from social media to feeds or video game or even the simplest form of technologies such as Google Maps, Google Chrome are based on AI. These are three types of AI such as artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial super intelligence. First, artificial narrow intelligence. This type of AI includes system as of now that can perform tasks in an autonomous manner using human-like capability. Artificial general intelligence, general AI system do not exist as of now but are expected to be able to learn, perceive, understand and function in a human-like manner. Artificial super intelligence, this hypothetical type of AI system is believed to be able to perform better than human. Thank you.
Kumar, I read in class 8 in Sambhavna Vasi Uch Vidyalaya. I am doing Python in this desktop. Python is a learning language in which we do coding and making apps. ये हमारा बहुत यूज़फुल प्रोग्राम है जिसमें हम सब क्या बोलते हैं, किसी भी मान लीजिए कि एग्जांपल एक बताते हैं कि किसी इंसान को किसी 100 आदमी के नाम 100 बार लिखना है तो उसके लिए बहुत सारा प्रिंट करना पड़ेगा। इससे बड़े पाइथन के द्वारा हम कोडिंग करके उसको बहुत इजी बना सकते हैं। पाइथन का सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ इसी में होता है। थैंक यू।
चलो
Ms. Deve Pandey. I study in class 6D by use of paper. I do AutoSum in computer to making a exam result. In this process, people using exam to making a exam result. Thank you, sir.
सीखते हुए एक्सेल है, अलग अलग लैंग्वेज की पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं और एक अलग वातावरण है। बच्चे जो है प्रत्येक बच्चों के लिए अलग अलग सेपरेट कंप्यूटर है, तो देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर बच्चे जो है इस प्रकार से यहाँ कंप्यूटर से नॉलेज लेते हैं, सीखते हैं और बच्चों ने एआई के बारे में बहुत खूबसूरती से जानकारी दी है।
Of class 7 section E. Today we will speak on communication and the future of IT world. Communication is the process in which we express our feeling, thought, imagination through many processes like television, mobile phone, etc. In future world, our generation, more progressive technology will be increased. If our communication will be good and another person should understand what we are trying to say. But this technology is the best way. They form AI which help us to correct the word and give information. Communication is important in our life. Thank you.
मानो आपने अभी जो सिस्टम पर अपने बनाया है, क्या बनाया पहले ये बताइए।
एक्सेल है, यहाँ सब बार हम लोग इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट सब हम लोग अपना टोटल
मतलब अपना रिजल्ट आप लोग एक तैयार कर रहे हैं।